Hello everyone and welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas, and today is day 6. So as you can see, I have made some picture frames. Now all of these picture frames are from Dollar Tree and they are only $1 each. Of course, I use the beautiful Polkadoodle images, and this one is Winnie White Christmas. And all of the information you will need and links are in the description box. Now I was kind of hesitant whether to make a little process video on this or not, because as you can see it is pretty well explanatory. All I did was just print out my images and added them to my picture frames, but I still made a video for you just in case you need that extra step. So this particular image has 3 different images from the Winnie White Christmas collection. There's this picture frame, which is like this minty green, and then of course there's the Winnie and then the Merry Christmas. This one is one image, and then I added, it looks like snow, again from the same collection. And this one I added the word joy, and I think they're all so cute, you guys. This project is super quick and easy. Anyone can make this. If I can make it, you can make it too, you guys. Trust me. So that is it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Elizabeth Garza. She is next up in the lineup. Check out the rest of the ladies. I will have all of the links in the description box. And I hope you continue watching and to see how I put all of these together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.